not going to go through the design one because this one is actually very simple. It's called Secret Hitler. First things first, you need a marker to pass around for two important roles. One is President, here is this one. And the other one, which I actually 3D printed as a mold of it, is Chancellor. So President card and Chancellor card. President is chosen, passes the Chancellor along to whoever they want, and these are the two title cards for it. It says, appoint a Chancellor, so that's all we really do. And Chancellor, you have, no player can be Chancellor twice in a row as the rules, because that's really the main rule for Chancellor. You have the two board pieces here, the fascist piece and the liberal piece. On top of that, you have a whole bunch of policies. And there's enough of them. I'm just gonna pull out a few here. Now, the main part of the game is that we do need a couple of these kind of cards. These are the secret rolled cards, and these are the voting cards. Let's see if we can just see all of that. Alright, so if you are, well actually I do need something here, don't I? I need to find Hitler. Here. I'm gonna bring this here, okay? So the objective of the game, if you played Secret Hitler, or if you know how to play Secret Hitler, is to find Hitler. And in terms of a few things that we did for this build specifically to make that game a little bit more smooth. First of all, the cards for voting are going to be totally anonymous because the voting cards are here. Let's say it's time to kind of decide on our ballots. See if we agree for the decision with Chancellor. We'll kind of take whichever one we like. So let's say I want to vote yes, I'll vote yes. Let's say I choose yes. I'll put the yes over here. I hold it like this. And then we'll pass this to the center. And then everyone else will do it as well. And then after it gets passed into the center, we'll shuffle them around a little bit. And then we flip them all over and see what the vote is. So passes basically. The yes is yeah, and it's in white. The nines are no. So vote no. The back is completely solid, so you can't see through it. The only kind of design flaw is that people can sometimes peek under here and see what it is, but in terms of that, just while you're playing the game, I guess you could when you're voting. After everyone's vote has been cast, everyone look away, and ta-da! It's all randomized, and you don't know who cast which vote that way. And this makes voting a lot more anonymous, which in the original game, it's a little harder to do when everyone's kind of looking over your shoulder. So this makes voting a little bit easier for Secret Hitler. I realized in my haste I forgot to show off the policy cards. So these are the policy cards. And on the other side, they just show lib or fast. So policy on the back. The same for both policies because these are meant to be somewhat random. And in the front, you have the liberals and the fascist policies. There's a whole bunch of these, but forgot to show it. Now, the other piece and kind of the last piece to this entire build is basically these cards. These cards will say fascist or liberal on them, and these are your role cards. As for your character cards, the back will only really have two character cards. One is going to be Member of Parliament, and the other one is going to be Hitler. Now for Hitler, this is only going to be on one of the ballots for fascist. So that's kind of the way that goes. And the back says the same for everybody, so you can't really tell, it's just membership. When you need to go search somebody, the person being searched can just pass them their card, and the person who's searching can just take a peek at the color. The color will tell you everything without revealing whether or not you're Hitler. So here is Hitler, right? When you're being searched as Hitler, you basically pass this to the person who's searching and you reveal. That's it. You don't show if you're Hitler or not. They have to do that to find out, and you don't do that, so. And that's the entire build.